Setting up your Google account after signing up is essential for accessing various Google services. Follow these steps to complete your setup effectively. Step 1. Verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Google. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 2. Set up recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Customize your profile. In the personal info section of your Google account settings, add a profile picture and fill in your name. This information will help personalize your account and make it easier for friends to recognize you. Step 4. Adjust privacy settings. Visit the Privacy and Personalization section to review and adjust your privacy settings. Decide what information you want to share and manage your activity controls to enhance your privacy. Step 5. Explore Google services. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore various Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. Familiarize yourself with their features and how they can benefit you. By following these steps, you will have a fully set up Google account ready for use. Enjoy exploring all the features and services that come with it.